Hello, in this video I want to show you how you can easily restore the WhatsApp backup on your OPPO K13 Turbo. Alright, also if you don't know how you can restore your chats on your OPPO, let's say that you have bought it recently and you want to restore your WhatsApp chats. To do it, first you need to have a backup created. You can easily create it on your previous device. Don't worry, it is really easy. And on our channel there is also a video where I'm showing you how you can do it easily step by step, so I highly recommend checking it out. And then thanks to that you will be able and you will know how to create a backup. Okay, let's say that we have a backup already, and now what to do. Before we open up our WhatsApp, it's just installed. Let's open up our settings, and in here scroll down and find the Google. And it's really important to be logged in here into the same Google account that we have selected during the backup process earlier. Because if you will be logged into other account, it won't work simply. The restore option won't pop out on our screen. So we need to remember about it. Once it's checked, let's open up our WhatsApp, just like that. And now select your language and click on agree and continue. Click on allow. And now in this bar we need to type our phone number. When we type it, then we need to click on next, and we will have to pick one of the options to verify our phone number. We can use the code from the SMS message, or we can also use the missed call function. It's completely up to you. Now I will select, I will type the password, my phone number, I will verify it, and I'll come back to you once it's done. Alright, once you have verified your phone number, something like that should appear on your screen. Contacts and media. Now we need to click on continue. Now we need to allow for everything that pops out. And now we want to restore from backup. Or we can also use the transfer from old phone, but I want to show you how we can restore from the backup. So select it, then click on continue. As you can see, everything is being restored currently, and as you take a look, 10 messages restored, your media will restore in the background. Really easy. We can also see below, above, when the last backup was made. In my case it was today, like 2 hours ago, the size of the backup and the account on which we made it. And as you take a look, it's the same Google account that I'm currently logged into in the settings of my device. So now let's click on next. In here type your name, and if you want you can also select the profile photo. Click on next, and we can see that videos, photos and normal messages has been successfully restored on our OPPO. Alright, and that's all on this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.